Good morning, students. This is Dr. Swati Bugalia. I am an assistant professor at Department of Agriculture in Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about cell cycle. So first of all, what is cell cycle? The cell cycle is the series of growth and development steps a cell undergoes between its birth and the reproduction. Then stages of the cell cycle. To divide, a cell must complete several important tasks. It must grow, copy its genetic material, and physically split into two daughter cells. Cells perform these tasks in an organized, predictable series of steps that make up the cell cycle. The cell cycle is a cycle rather than a linear pathway because at the end of each go round, the two daughter cells can start the exact same process over again from the beginning. In eukaryotic cells or cells with a nucleus, the stages of the cell cycles are divided into two major phases. First is interphase and the mitotic phase. During interphase, the cell grows and make a copy of its DNA. And during the mitotic phase, the cell separates its DNA into two sets and divides its cytoplasm, forming two new cells. Interphase preparation let's enter the cell cycle just as a cell form by division of its mother cells. What must these newborn cells do next if it wants to go on and divide itself? Preparation for division happens in three steps. First is G1, that is also called G1, gap 1 phase, synthesis phase, and third is gap 2 phase. In G1 phase, the cell grows physically larger, copies organelles, and make the molecular building block it will need in later steps. In synthesis phase, cells synthesize a complete copy of the DNA in its nucleus. It also duplicates a microtubule organizing structure called the centrosome. The centrosome helps separate the DNA during M phase. In G2 phase, the cell grows more, makes protein and organelles, and begin to recognize its content in preparation for mitosis. G2 phase ends when mitotic begins. These are the G1S and G2 phases together are also known as interphase. The prefix inter means between, reflecting that interphase takes place between one mitotic phase and the next. Then M phase. During the mitotic phase, the cell divides its copied DNA and cytoplasm to make two new cells. M phase involves two distinct division-related processes. First is mitosis, second is cytokinesis. In mitosis, the nuclear DNA of the cell condensed into visible chromosome and is pulled apart by the mitotic spindles, a specialized structure made out of microtubules. Mitosis take place in four stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In cytokinesis, the cytoplasm of the cell is split in two, making two new cells. Cytokinesis usually begins just as mitosis is ending, with a little overlap. Importantly, cytokinesis takes place differently in animal and plant cells. In animals, cell division occurs when a band of cytoskeleton fiber, called the contractile ring, contract inward and pinch the cell into a process called contractile cytokinesis. But in plant cells are much because the plant cells are much stiffer than animal cells, they are surrounded by a rigid cell wall and have high internal pressure. Because of this, plant cell divides in two by building a new structure down in the middle of the cell. The structure known as cell plate is made up of plasma membrane and cell wall components delivered in vesicles, and it partitions the cell into two. Then cell cycle exit या फिर G0 phase. Other type of cell divide slowly or not at all. These cells may exit the G1 phase and enter a resting state called G0 phase. In G0, a cell is not actively preparing to divide. It's just doing its job. For instance, it might conduct signal as a neuron or store carbohydrate as a liver cell. G-note is a permanent state for some cells, while others may restart division if they get the right signals.